Morning. That was a pretty nice drive.
Yeah.
I didn't see many people. That's what you get when you leave places at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's hazy right now. They're calling for showers, but if it stays like this, it'll be awesome. Hopefully Manson's got a hot spot. We're on a roll. Well, it's about 10 o'clock. It's Thursday, May 1st. We got a break in this weather. Wisconsin, Minnesota, we've just been getting pounded with rain. We're hunting between the rain storms. Or actually, we've been out in it too. But we keep seeing birds and trying to loop around and get in front of them. We've had a couple come in, but they haven't been at the decoy, so we've been catching and releasing a couple. But we saw one in the field here. We're going to see if he comes in and takes a look at split and strike. think he's a little close. I need to move my gun up a little bit. It's Friday, May 2nd, and Mansell and Klein and I came out. I'm up here for the weekend, 3 days here. We've been chasing birds around and we haven't been able to get on any. It's pretty flooded up here. We had a lot of rain. Well, this morning we knew there was a group of toms in here, so we came in and set up, and Mansell, with his champion choice call, masterful, made a few calls, and it seems like these toms gobbled and then they came on the field. But this was a pretty easy hunt from the hard weather conditions we've had throughout the week, and I think we worked hard for this one.